Hey, my beautiful people. On today's episode, we have 6343 Sunfield Court here in Riverside. So check it out. So let me show you around. Here we have the master bedroom. All right, so plenty of space. You got the windows right here. You say hi to the neighbors, right? So for the chismes or those chismosos. Here we have the master bathroom. All right, you got two sinks right there. So for the hubby who shaves and takes forever. And then for the wife who put makeup, right there, perfect. So y'all not fighting, right, over that. You got your toilet right there. Right, you got your bathtub here for those romantic nights, you know what I mean? And then we have the shower. So if you're in a hurry, boom, there's the shower and the walk-in closet. So plenty of space. I could like do laps here if I want to. If I want to do some like exercise, boom. Gotta love it. And then for those who don't want to deal with the heat, like how I am right now, the AC's off. We got your laundry and dryer right here on the second floor with all the other rooms. So you have to deal with, bring your clothes downstairs in the garage and wash it there. So nothing wrong with that, but it's just the added convenience of having a laundry room upstairs. So how cool is that? All right, so here we have bedroom number 2. All right, so pretty spacious, enough for a full-size bed right here. And then you have your closet with mirrors. So for those who like to look at themselves, in the mirror, like moi, right there. Boom, you can full body right there. So say hi to the neighbors too, right there. Nah, they're not that close, but yeah, privacy. You got your bathroom. So you got 2 sinks. Shared bathroom with the other room. So I love that transition. I think it's very convenient, instead of having, to walk out of your room, go into the bathroom, it's just right there. You have your room, bathroom, and then it's shared with the other room. So I think it's pretty cool. And you have a bath. All right there. So that's awesome. So that was room number 1 and 2, well, besides the master. And let's head downstairs, shall we? So now we're in the heart and the soul of the house where families gather together and make history. Watch your kids grow up, watch them come home from school, and watch, The Simpsons at 5 o'clock, if they still pass it on during that time. But yeah, you got your large living room right there. You got your dining room here. And then if you don't want to eat there, you could eat here. Boom, 2 dining rooms. What more can you ask for? But yeah, we got your sink there with the window view, right? Who doesn't love to have their sink next to a window, right? And then you have your outdoor patio, if I can open this up. Right, and you got your barbecue right here. You got all this space right here. That's set right there. But yeah, for la carnita asada, your tacos, your barbecue, 4th of July hot dogs and burgers. Boom, good to go. You also do have a bathroom downstairs, so FYI. So 3 bathrooms in total. And then you got the garage. Right, I love the walls, they're insulated. So that means it's not hot in here. It's hotter than the house, but it's not hot like those houses without the insulated walls, so that's awesome. And there you have it. So what do you guys think? Would you buy this house? What would you do to it? What would you change? How would you make it yours? I want to know that. So let me know in the comments, replies, whatever. So thank you all for joining me today on this open house. Tomorrow I do have another opportunity to show the house. So if you want to come by, swing by, let me know. I'll gladly show you around. Until next time, take care, y'all.